Hey, Mud Dog 98 here. We got strong boy Wyatt, strongman Wyatt out there trying to pull my truck. All right, gonna give him a go ahead. Go ahead. There you go. He pulled it. Yeah, it was kind of downhill, but he did it.
Now it's straight hill.
Strongman Wyatt there, getting it.